To answer this question, 3 is raised to power x plus 1. That means x plus 1 is the index, while 3 is the base. But here, 9 is a whole number and 27 is a whole number. Since this is an exponential equation, we need to make sure the base is the same on both sides of this equation. Here, we have a whole number 9. Our target will be to make sure we express 9 in index form so that we can get a base and an index, and that base must be base 3. We also do the same thing to 27. That's the only way we can find the value of x. Okay, let us go ahead and do that. We have 3 raised to power x plus 1 divided by 9 is 3 raised to power 2, and 27 is 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 means multiply 3 by itself into 3 places. 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 27. And 3 raised to power 2 means multiply 3 by itself into 2 places. That is 3 times 3, which gives you 9. Okay, now you see that we have the same base now on both sides. Let us now apply one of the laws of indices here. That is the law of division. That law is going to take care of this left-hand side of the equation. The law says if we have the same base dividing, that what we need to do is just to write down one of the bases, which is base 3, and subtract this power from this other power. So we are going to say x plus 1 minus 2. Okay, then everything will be equal to 3 raised to power 3. All right, there is another law that says if we have the same base on both sides of the equation, that we should remove the bases and equate the powers. So let us now equate these two powers. Here, remember, we have plus 1 minus 2, which will give us minus 1. So this is going to be x minus 1 equals 3. So to get the value of x, we need to remove minus 1 from the left-hand side. To remove minus 1, we need to introduce the opposite of minus 1, which is plus 1. That is, we need to add 1 to the left-hand side. And if we add 1 to the left-hand side, we need to add 1 also to the right-hand side in order to balance the given equation. So this will give us x minus 1 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will give us 0. So 0 plus x will give us x equals 3 plus 1 will give us 4. Therefore, 4 is the value of x that will balance the equation, and this is exactly